Nathan Cox here. Thanks for joining us around the home. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up this Dyson V11 torque drive. Okay, so I just picked this up, got a good deal on it, and this is going to be great because we're going to be immediately after this, I'm going to be doing a first run on it, and then I'll be testing it against my Shark, okay, and the Samsung VS70. Kind of excited about this. I've never had a Dyson before, but I've always heard really good things about them. And I'm really digging all these new cordless vacs. Alright, so we got a big packet of papers. Probably should check that out later. Okay, so that's our main vacuum tube. That's simple enough. Got some accessories here. Okay, that took a moment to open. Alright, so we got our crevice tool and our little brush attachment here. Very nice. And this one here, the bristles extend, similar to that on the Samsung. Now this here, I think this one's just stationary, this accessory, this crevice tool. Okay, and we got another brush tool. This one's interesting. Alright, looks like this is a wall mount. Some instructions for the wall mount. Probably some more stuff for the mount. We've got our charger here. Okay. Okay, here's our power head. Got the little Dyson like mini ball thing going on there. Okay. All right, what's in here? Oh, we got even more accessories. Looks like a little mini motorized head. So that's sweet. Got a little for tight areas. Maybe works good for cars too. And another little brush. This one's got a lot of accessories in it. Alright, so our main motor, which I tell you the hand position for the grip is a little different than the other ones. So it'll be interesting to see what I like better. Whoa! Kind of makes it a little dung when it's like a drum hit in it. That's kind of cool. Okay, setup and use on this is going to be very similar to the other ones. So let me go over this a little bit. We're just going to take the main pole here and we're going to attach it in. Let's make sure we got it the right direction. I guess that would help if we go the right direction here. Snapping it in. Snapping in the power head. Okay. Now with that, you can of course put the power head directly on the end of here. We got this little power head guy here. Let's try this out. This I'm sure would be good in like cars and such. All the attachments slide in and off really easy, which as expensive as this is, they're really better. Now, of course, at any time you can set up this wall mount for it. I'm not doing that right now, mostly because I keep my vacuum in my coat closet. There's another vacuum in there. A lot of times I get shuffled around a little bit. Plus there's no outlets in there for me to charge it. So I'll probably just shove this up in the corner of the coat closet and then just have the little AC adapter. And that's just going to easily plug in right here at the front of the handle area, and just charge it there and just keep this up on the shelf, and then just keep this in the corner. Well, I'm excited to use this. This looks to be quite a very nice vacuum. I know you're excited about cleaning. Yeah, excited about something that makes it easier to clean my house so I can do it faster and better and get back to doing the things I want to do, right? So I'm excited about these tools because yeah, it's a household tool, but it's still a tool. So next video I'll be making is my first use after I get a full charge on it, because that's always a good thing to do. And then from there, I will be making the video on how to empty out the the tank and clean it and all that kind of stuff. So please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, check out my website, hundreds more videos organized really well. And the video right there will be the next video in line for this one. Thanks again.